In this video, I am going to show how you can edit like magnets media in CapCut PC. And this is going to be a master class. Before starting the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, open CapCut and import all the materials for the project. First, drag this video to timeline. Drag this PNG to timeline and set it on the video. Adjust its duration and now click on this icon to crop it. Just select one building part. And click on confirm and it will be cropped. To remove the white background of PNG, go to remove background, select chroma key and now choose the white background. Keep the intensity at full. Once the background is removed, set the PNG as I do. Now drag the clouds video on the top of the building PNG. Select this video, go to blend, and decrease its opacity. Now this is how our video looks like. It's time to add our character. To add it, simply drag it on the top of other videos and set its position as I do. Now we will add some text and write the name of the character on it. First, set the duration of the text and write the name of your character. Change the font of the text as you want and also change its color. I will select this Arial black font. And I will add this yellow color to the text. Scroll down and enable this glow option and adjust the glow as you want. Make the text a little larger. Now go to animations and add this animation to the text. As you do this, now also increase the duration of the text. Now it's time to add the secondary text, and also we will have to highlight it too. To highlight text, first select drag text to timeline and set its duration. Now write here whatever you want. Go to animations and apply this animation to your text. This is how our animation look like.
Enjoyed watching the video, so please like the video and subscribe our channel so you can stay tuned for the next updates. See you in the next video.